Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia in day 119 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today is my favorite day, y'all, because we are going to be doing messa di voces with exercise 174.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Marchesi writes on this messa di voce section, which means swelled sounds, or she translates swells. Who translated? Not she. Somebody translated swelled sounds. Okay, whatever. I'm not sure. I agree with that, but I will explain what that is. The messa di voce basically indicates ultimate registrational balance in the instrument. It means that you can add in a little bit of chest mechanism and take it out, increase head mechanism, then increase chest mechanism. And this relates to dynamics in a sense, okay? Because we're basically doing this. We're starting soft, getting louder, and then getting softer, okay? So she writes, the messa di voce should not be practiced until the voice has acquired a certain degree of suppleness and flexibility and should never be attempted by beginners. Don't attempt it if you're not ready. That's what Marchesi says. But there's a part of me that is like, okay, I mean, I do understand this. If you're really like a super beginner, maybe this would be tricky, right? For sure. But there also is a sense to me that a voice should understand what that is even before they can do it. So we're just going to dive right in because these are just one notes. So as we had before, it's not like, you know, we have to like keep on with a pattern. This is just note by note. So we're going to be holding note by note and going up by half steps, okay? I'll just go up as high as I kind of feel like right now. So probably actually starting on middle C is going to be harder for me. So if I start in like a soft head mechanism, right? Right? We can do that. So they've got these chords written under here. You can do this. That's pretty easy. So you can go. Next one, right? Now, I'm not going to play as I do this because I want a little bit more control. So I'd really like to start this. And when I crescendo, I want it to kind of be at the same rate of dynamic build, and then decrescendo at the same rate. So it really is smooth, like up and down. It doesn't do this whoop, okay? You don't have any of those bumps. When I'm playing and trying to read, it's just, you know, messes everything up. So if we do, okay, next one. Now, as we get higher, we're not high yet, but as we get higher, you're not going to be able to crescendo in the same way that you were able to down low. So it's going to feel different. So just allow for that adjustment. It's like fun. This is like meditation. I love this exercise. So fun. Now, guys, as we get up higher, okay, so we just did A flat. And yes, I want you to start thinking about this as low as A flat, sorry, not E flat. You need to start thinking that the crescendo is different. The crescendo is not bringing in the weight in the voice. It's not bringing in chest mechanism. I want you to increase the feeling of head resonance to crescendo. Okay, so here, let me give you an example of something not to do first. You don't want to do this. Guess why? I know it might have sounded okay, but you can't do it because it's literally my chords were going against the breath pressure. Instead, what you need is you need to make sure you're on the body, right? So that what does on the body means? Rib goes out, ribs go out. Okay. So the voice is a little more out of control in this way. Okay, it's not held. It's not held in the throat. If you feel like you can make the note last longer, then probably what is happening is you are squeezing, okay? You feel that, right? Right there. Next one. Oh, that works. Whoops. Now, I like to be very careful with my messa di voces up here. Okay, I don't like to add too much stuff. I want to make sure I can always come back to that fine edge. It's getting harder. You know, you can really feel any little, I hate feeling like this little, I try to make it really, really smooth, okay? Yeah, this is a great exercise for a Virgo, just like me, okay? Very obsessive. Here's another one. Decrescendoing is much harder. Why? Because you're bringing in the heavy mechanism, then you have to take it out. So the tone will want to do this as you come and take it out. Getting it smooth is very hard. Also, you know, it's very fun because I've really just been singing all of these exercises on ah. Was there something in the beginning that said we had to do it on ah? I'm not sure because it's actually making me laugh right now that maybe we could have played around with the vowels more. You know, if I were probably doing this in the passaggio, I think I wouldn't do the messa di voce on ah. I would probably start somewhere around B flat, doing it on oo. So like, so you can really feel that nice head resonance. Okay, but you can give it a try and see what vowels you like.